In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Forsaken on VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to play Forsaken or any other experience in virtual reality, you can ensure that it works by following the instructions that I give you in this video. So by default, if you try to join the experience or if you try to run Roblox directly on your Oculus Quest headset, for example, Forsaken isn't going to work right away. Of course, if you try and it does, or you can enable it in the settings, then wonderful. But I believe most people who try to do this cannot get it to work. So with the instructions in this video, you will be able to make Forsaken work in virtual reality. This is going to be primarily done by connecting your headset to a PC. So you must connect your VR headset to a PC. In this video, I'm going to use the MetaQuest 3 as an example, but you can follow along with other MetaQuest headsets or any other VR headset that you have. So, to connect it to your PC, you can either use a link cable or connect it through AirLink, which is going to be relying on your Wi-Fi. Besides this, you will need to download the MetaQuest Link app. So look for the MetaQuest Link app on Google and download it here from the official website. And you need to download Steam VR. If you have never used Steam before, install it on your PC and you will be able to download this tool for free. Once you have MetaQuest Link ready and Steam VR downloaded on your Steam library, first on the MetaQuest Link app, go to Devices, Add Headset, and then register your headset to your PC by either using AirLink or a cable. Just follow the instructions listed here. If you have a different model of headset, not from Quest, then you might need to follow different instructions. On your headset, you will now be able to use Quest Link, and this will give you a VR view of your desktop as long as you have your headset connected to your PC through a cable or through AirLink. So once you access Quest Link, you will have a virtual view like this, and you can choose the Roblox player. Besides, before you do this, make sure that you run Steam VR. You can either run Steam VR on this VR interface on your headset, or you can open up the Steam library on your PC and then run it from there. Once you have Steam VR running, the headset is connected to the PC, and you launch Roblox Player. When you join Forsaken or any other experience, you will be able to enable VR from the settings. So if it isn't already in virtual reality, go over to Settings and then enable VR from here. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.